Designing using a reusable form is a design pattern in which we use a group of fields in multiple other forms. After you create the form, you can use it as many times as you want without having to recreate any of the text or input fields. To show how it can help us create forms in less time, let's create 2 forms for ordering school uniforms. The first is for primary school, and the other is for secondary school. We give a surprise gift when the order is more than a certain amount. Both forms contain the same order table. The 2 forms differ only on the title and the type of the gift. Creating a reusable form is the same as creating a normal form. To keep this tutorial short, we have created the reusable uniform order as a template. Let's use it. Click the Create button on the left toolbar. Type Uniform Order Form on the search input and press Enter. Click the Choose button on the reusable uniform order form card. In this reusable form, the value for the total payment is the table cell E10 of the question number 1. We use this field in the linking values formula. Click the Linking Settings button on the left toolbar. If there is already a formula in the linking value input field, remove it. Click the Pick a Variable button. And choose question number 1 and table cell E10. Click Apply. Publish the form. Now, we are done with the reusable form. Let's create the first uniform order form for the primary school. Click the Home button to bring us back to Home Dashboard. On the Create folder, choose a form on the new blank design card. Click the Create button. First, let's add a header to this blank form. Click the Add Question and Element button on the left toolbar. Click the Add button on the text element card. Enter Primary School Uniform Order Form. Highlight the header, click the Alignment button, and choose the center alignment. I usually use Heading 1 for the header. Click the drop-down toolbar on Text toolbar, click the H1 or Header button, and choose H1 for a Heading 1. Insert a line break after the header. And select the line break. Let's add the reusable form we created earlier. Click the Add Question and Element button on the left toolbar. Type into the search input field, linked, and press Enter. Click the Choose button on the linked element card. This opens the web page or form folder. Click the Form folder button. Click the Link button on the reusable uniform order form card. Our primary school uniform order form does not use background, so let's remove the background of the linked order form. Click the More button on the Linked Elements toolbar. Deselect the Color Theme and Background option, and click Apply. Let's add a few line breaks after the order table. And select the line break. Click Add Question and Element button, and click the Add button on the text element. Enter the sentence to show the surprise t-shirt gift. We only show this text when the order is above 100. Click the Conditional Formula button on the text element. Enter the formula: if question 1 is more than 100 returns 1, otherwise 0. The linking value of the reusable order form refers to the table cell that contains the total amount. So, we don't need to specify table cell in our conditional logic formula. Click Apply. Now, let's see how our uniform order form works. Click the Preview button, and choose some uniform items. When the order is above 100, the surprise gift text appears. We are done with our primary school uniform order. Publish the form. Let's repeat the same steps to create our uniform order form for the secondary school. The gift for the secondary school uniform order form is a calculator when the order is above 200. Now, let's see how our uniform order form works. When the order is above 200, the surprise gift text appears. Publish the form.